Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, I have one box of 2021 Topps Chrome Black. 4 cards per box. There's a little pack with some base and a parallel, usually, and then a auto. So, yeah, 1 encased Chrome autograph, 1 refractor parallel per box. Here's the odds. So there you go. Let's see what I get. It just came out last week. Tried a few of these last year. Looks like they didn't change the box look very much. I do like the look of these cards. They're pretty snazzy. So inside there should be a little blocker. Yep. Of the auto here. So I'm just going to pull the pack out. Keep that there. Get a little pack. Not intended for individual sale. But let's see what I get. So there's 3 cards in here, parallel and a 2 base. So here's Jose Ramirez. Just the cards. They have a really cool design back there. Anthony Rendon. Nice. Green Seager. Look how the light hits that. That's awesome. Not a Dodger anymore. Hard to say. 41 of 99. But cool card. Really not going after any more Seagers now that he's gone, but I'm not going to get rid of my collection either. So it's a cool looking card. I still believe Seager's one of the top guys for sure. So I'll hold on to those. And let's see what the auto is. Okay, like this. Max Kepler. Max Kepler auto. Not numbered. So there you go. Just a base Kepler. My favorite card of the bunch is the Seager. There you go. Thanks for watching this one box break of 2021 Topps Chrome Black. Catch y'all later. Peace.